Asian stocks print gains as Upbeat US factory data overshadows coronavirus concerns. Japan TV Forex.com News ID 125,456 6 minutes ago by Hong Kongâ. Asian stocks track US equities higher on Tuesday. NBSP Upbeat US manufacturing data and dovish Fed expectations power gains. NBSP Asian stocks ticked higher on Tuesday as strong US manufacturing data boosted confidence, helping investors shrug off coronavirus-induced uncertainty. NBSP Japanâ's Nikkei index rallied by over 1% and stocks in Australia rose 1.6%. South Korean shares also jumped 1.13% alongside a 0.7% gain in Hong Kongâ's Hang Seng index. NBSP The MSCIâ's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan added nearly 0.9%. NBSP Meanwhile, gold is sidelined near $1,976 per ounce amid lackluster action in the Forex markets. NBSP The US ISM manufacturing released on Monday showed the activity expanded in July at the fastest pace in more than a year. The data put a bid under the US stocks, lifting the Dow Jones Industrial Average by 0.89%. NBSP additional bullish pressure may have stemmed from reports stating that the U.S. Federal Reserve may ditch its long-followed strategy of preemptively raising rates to avoid a buildup of inflationary pressures. In other words, the Fed may become more tolerant of above-target inflation and keep the monetary policy easy for a prolonged period of time. NBSP And while the U.S. data and dovish Fed expectations are currently powering gains in stocks, the risk sentiment remains vulnerable to a resurgence of the coronavirus and flare-up in Sino-US tensions. The US President Trump has threatened to ban social media app TikTok unless its operators are sold off from the Chinese company called ByteDance, according to Reuters. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.